Now, nachos are one of those things that are just a fantastic snack, sometimes a meal depending on what you put on them, but they take a little bit of effort, unless you have an air fryer. An air fryer is a great way to make nachos, and I'm going to show you how I use my air fryer to make nachos. First thing we need to do is open up our air fryer, and I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper in here that I've cut to fit in here. Parchment paper, like the kind that I have, is rated to 450 degrees about. We're going to be going to 340, 350 degrees, so it's going to be fine. And you want to tuck it down in there so that the edges are pretty far down. Now, using parchment paper is going to make it much easier to get the nachos out of here and onto a plate. Now we're going to get some chips in here, and I'm just using some regular corn chips. Again, this is not a specific recipe on how to make my nachos, although you can easily copy this. It's putting the things you like, the kind of chips you want. I'm gonna get a really good base of chips in here. Now I like to put cheese next. You can alternate these in any way you want, these different ingredients. This is just sort of one of those blends of cheeses. Yes, it's from a bag. I didn't shred all this. This is an easy weeknight sort of snack or meal. I'm gonna get some diced up red onions in here, a couple dollops of refried beans. And I'm gonna top this with some meat because I have some leftover brisket that I just thawed. It had been vacuum sealed and frozen for a couple months. It's gonna be great on here. Get a few jalapenos on here. My air fryer is preheated to 340 degrees, and we're gonna go about 5 minutes. Might be done before that, so we may check. And there are our nachos. Let's go ahead and get these plated up. And if you're careful, you can slide these off the parchment paper onto your plate. Let's make sure we got all our chips and everybody in here that might have slipped off. I'm gonna hit these with some diced tomatoes on top here, some sliced black olives. Again, this is totally up to how you like your nachos. You put whatever you like on here. For example, other people in my family like sour cream on nachos. I don't, so I don't put it on. But I do like some nice green salsa. And there we go. Air fryer nachos done in what? Probably less than 10 minutes total time from building it to getting it in the air fryer and getting it out. They look terrific. Let's have a taste. Oh, this is going to be good. Cheesy, beefy, jalapeno-y. Cheers. Nachos are just one of those things that are so simple to make because you can make it your own with your own ingredients, whatever you like. You add in the air fryer, which gets it done quickly. It's a slam dunk.